Hello friends, today we will discuss about the results of combust Sachet. This I will explain with examples. Now here is an example in front of you. 22nd of April 1969, 7 hours 8 minutes 47 seconds. The native is born in Patiala. And now here you see the sun is 8 degree 24 minutes. Saturn is 5 degree 39 minutes, so the difference is around 3 degrees, and Saturn is deeply combust. According to the rules of Nadi astrology, planet gives the results of sublot, the strongest, that of nakshatra, and weakest gives the result of its own placement and direction. Now here you see, Saturn is in the Aries sign, ascendant is Taurus, and Saturn is significant 10, 11, 12 houses because it is a lot of the 10th and 11th house and placed in the 12th house. Ketu and Rahu are the nakshatra and the sun lord. Ketu will give the result of Jupiter conjunction, Venus the aspect, and Mercury the lordship. Mercury is 3, 6, 12, Jupiter is 5, 9, 12, and Venus is 1, 12, so 1 to 11. So Ketu will give the result of all these houses. Similarly, Rahu will give the result of Venus as well as Jupiter. Jupiter is 5, 9, 12, Venus is 1 to 11, so 1 to 11, 5, 9, 12 are the results of Rahu. So now, what results will be felt? Now when we are a child and the period of Saturn comes, when we are talking about education, it is excellent for education because 5 and 11 hours are predominant. When we talk about when he will be young, and he completes his education, and even during education there looks to be travels, 9, 12 are there. Professional life also there will be travel. There will be travel because of the profession, and he can have a love affair, a nice one, because 5, 12 houses are there with 9 level. Saturn also signifies marriage, maybe a bit of difficulty because of 1, 6 is there. Health can be sometimes an issue because 1, 6 to the house is there, but recovery is very fast because of 5, 9 are there. Now coming on to another example, just I am increasing the time by just 10 minutes, and you see there is a difference. Now here you see 8 house comes into being. I reduce the time again by 10 minutes, and instead of this 2, there are 8 houses signified. The reason to that is when Jupiter signifies the 8th house. As the Venus is aspecting Ketu, Jupiter is with Ketu. So now Venus signifies 1, 11, and Jupiter signifies 5, 8, 9, 12. Rahu signifies 1, 5, 8, 9, 12. Similarly, Ketu also signifies 8 because Ketu is also aspected conjunct with Jupiter. So 8th house is contributed by Jupiter to Ketu. Now here in this example we see that there will be troubles in the education, although because 5, 9, 11 are there. So he will come out of those troubles and hindrances in education. Saturn is evenly poised for marriage, as 1 to 11, 10, 11, 1, 11 are there. Marriage is possible, but this is also love marriage, but you see, it is 5 and 12, so it is scandalous love affair. And because 6 is also there, so there will be troubles in the love affair also. Although 9, 11 are there, there will be all the problems will be resolved, but the love affair here is scandalous. And the professional life is also full of troubles because of this 8th house and 5 and 12. The travels will be there, and there will be problems with the travels also because of the 8th house, and you see there is a difference in this Saturn to that of the other Saturn, which was 10 minutes prior. Now, having said this, as we were talking about the combust Saturn, according to Nadi astrology, the results of a planet gives only about the nakshatra, the sublot, whether it's combust or not. Therefore, the results of only this nakshatra and sublot will come. Now, as Saturn is conjunct with Saturn, there has to be something related to Saturn also which should come into Saturn in the Saturn period. Now in this particular time period, in this particular horoscope which was shown first, as Saturn is with Sun, the natural significance will be transferred to Saturn. So if Saturn comes during the professional life or as the education ends and he wants to get a job, there is all the possibility of getting a government job, and this person will have problems with the government because the Saturn is not that good. So that is all what has to be seen for the combust Saturn, and nothing else is required to be seen. If you try remembering the results of combust Saturn, there will be hundreds and thousands of probabilities, and you will never be able to remember that, and you will never be able to predict. The reason to that is that you have to remember that Saturn combust in first house, second house, all the 12 houses. Then if all the 12 signs, then the permutation comes to 12 multiplied by 12, 144, which you will never be able to remember. And there can be more ifs and buts because of conjunction and things like that. As you have here, Saturn is also conjunct with Mercury. Here Mercury will just give multiplicity to Saturn. But there you have to remember more things, so you will never be able to reach to any conclusion. So here everything is simple, just you have to see the houses signified with nakshatra, planet and subplot, and give predictions, and you end up with giving precise predictions. Thank you very much.